Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the home screen on iPad OS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The new customization options with iPad OS 18 allow you to customize your iPad's home screen so much more than before. You can make your home screen very unique and aesthetic, and it's also easy to do. Follow the steps to learn how. Hold down on an empty space on the home screen until the apps wiggle. You can drag the widgets from the bottom right corner bumper to resize them. When on the app wiggle screen, tap Edit in the top left corner. Then choose Customize. At the top of these options, you can choose small or large to edit the size of the app icons. Below that, you can choose between automatic, dark, light, and tinted. Tinted is a cool option. You can tint your whole home screen to a particular color. Use the top slider to change the tint color and the bottom slider to change the tint saturation. If you tap the color pipette in the top right corner, you can tap on a color on your wallpaper that you would like the tint to match. This is helpful to use if you have a photo wallpaper and you would like the apps to match with a color on your wallpaper. You can tap the sun icon in the top left to preview how your home screen will look in light or dark mode. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.